Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another issue in the Buck Knives series. So check this one out. I picked this one up at Walmart. It is the 371 Stockman, however you want to pronounce it. It's in the Select series. Buck was established in 1902, so it's almost 120 years old now. Here is the specs on this knife. Clip, Spey, and Sheepsfoot, 420J2 steel. The length, 3 7/8. The weight, 3.1 ounces. Handle, brown jigged bone with nickel silver bolsters. There you go. I'll pull this out. Here's the SKU number if you want to check this out. Sorry about moving, but anyway, here it is. Buckknives.com. Here's the phone number. Port Falls, Idaho, but this knife was made in China. Pretty nice little knife, pretty common knife, the style. And we're going to take the Buck canoe and open up this Stockman right here. But I don't plan on returning this thing. I'm just going to go ahead and destroy this case right here. See what we have in here. Buck Knives is American tradition, just like Chevrolet, Ford, apple pie, and macaroni and cheese. There we go. There's the Buck logo on the shield right here in the front. See the two blades right here. Very, very smooth on the back. Smooth all the way down the handle. All the way down. Centering on these blades, perfect. But what else would you expect from Buck Knives? Let's open up this blade right here. You can see, maybe you can hear it where it snaps. Just barely. Get a little bit closer. Okay, there's the stamp, 371, and that little insignia right there tells what year it was made. I'm not quite sure how to read that yet, but I'll get to it eventually. Here's the back side of the blade. Has a nice hollow ground. Nice point on the end. Let's see where it snaps back when you fold it up. There we go. I'm sure you heard that one. Let's do that one again. I'm going to start right here. I barely touched it, and that was the folding point. There we go. Just going to take this one out. If I can grip it, there we go. Now it said sheepsfoot. I wouldn't call that a sheepsfoot. But it's not a sharp point on the end like the other blade was. But it'll do. Nice thick blade. Not a stamp on this blade. But it is very, very nice. Very comfortable. Let's check back the spring on this one. There we go, there we go. When's it going to grab it and pull? Any time now. We're getting close. Right. There we go. Very nice knife. Nice little knife for your pocket for EDC. Love the texture in the handle. Bone handle. It is not plastic. This is bone. Let's go ahead and see how sharp. This is the sheepsfoot right here. I didn't even pull that one out earlier. That's the sheepsfoot blade. And there is the stamp made in China. Let's see where the snapback is on the sheepsfoot. There we go. Very nice, 3-bladed knife. See the centering and all this. Okay, let's see how sharp these 3 blades are. I got just a regular sheet of copy paper, and we're going to start with this blade right here. Let's see how sharp this one is. There we go. Got a little catch at the beginning. Seems to be dragging a little bit. Yeah, dragging a lot for a brand new out of the package blade. Yeah. Let's try that over here. Definitely dragging. Not real thrilled about that. Okay. Let's try this blade. Let's go ahead and close this one back up. Try this blade, see what's up with this one. Got a different corner of the paper. Much better than the first blade. Much, much better. Still drags a little bit. So, it gets to a certain point and it doesn't want to cut at all, and some points cut very good. So, let's close that one up and let's go with this blade right here. Go to sheepsfoot style blade. Let's see how this one cuts. It's snagged right here. So, all 3 of these blades, I'm going to say has some kind of issue. It needs to be resharpened, touched up. Anyway, a little disappointed in the blade cutting, but other than that, really nice knife. I'm going to put this on my Wicked Edge knife sharpener, get these fixed up, come back in a few months and do a recap on this one. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being with us today.